Well, hello, Mancavers. I've done it again. I will learn. Roll the credits. Welcome to the Man Cave. Let the games begin. So, we have bought a Countax. Looks like a C400H to me. There you go, it's been sitting here a long time. We have no ignition. We have Briggs twin engine. Yeah, looks like a nice twin in there. Excellent stuff. We have some wire and plugs hanging. Seat half missing. But there you go. It's a C400H. There we go. We better take the cover. First thing loaded up, innit? There we go. Right, I'm going to hand the camera to Mrs. Mancave and we're going to try and winch this thing out of here. Hold the camera, Mrs. Mancave. Can I push it for a start or not? Can we get her a push? Where's the little release? Help me understand, there's a release on here somewhere. Oh no, I don't know where it is. What's this? Come on. I think we need to get some rope here and winch this thing up. If you can come here, Miss Mancave, push the button, I'll have to steer it up and hold the thing. Let me get the ramp set up, look. Yeah, one. There's two. Alright, Mrs. Mancave got to work the winch. Thank you very much. There she is. If you work the winch, I'll sit and stare, honey. Hey-ya! Right, are you ready? Go on, Will. No, it's going the wrong way. Look at the winch. No, the other way. That's it. Cool. Go on. She's tight. Cool. Oh, this is seized. Go on. We're starting to move. We're starting to move. We ain't got much steering lock here. Whoa, I'll do. Alright, now we're going to have to somehow manhandle this over so we can get him winched up. Back in a minute. Right, we're back. We have realigned. Right, get winching, Miss Mancave. Yeah, keep going. There. We're going slowly but surely. Whoa! Hang on, we got a problem. Our ramp was coming in this end. There we go. Now, That's all right, that'll go on. Keep going. Here we go. Oh, we got a flat tyre. That's why she's pulling funny. All right, keep going. Don't winch that hook in though. Huh? Keep going up. That'll go a bit more, won't it?
Yeah, only about that much.
Yeah, go on. That'll hopefully get the front wheels up. Right, whoa, 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 whoa. Let it back a bit. Hopefully that won't roll off. Go on, keep going. That's it. Yeah. Let me finish winching this up and we'll be back. Here we go. This is a slow job, but we're getting her on. We're getting her on. There we go. Keep going. Right to the front. Right, I'll do. I'll do. Marvellous. There we go. Right, let it back a bit, sweetheart, so we can get the rope off. That's it. Right. Perfect. There we are. We're loaded. Just got the power sweeper and a couple of other bits to go on. We're done. Right, back in a bit. Right, we are back. What have we bought? Here. Oh, excuse the long video of loading up. I've forwarded through it. But here we have a C400H Countax with cobwebs, loose bolts. Gosh, she's been sitting some years. She's been sitting some years. We need to get this thing unloaded. We've been given 2 power sweepers with it. We've been given an original power sweeper here, which got the box missing. But he said, well, have this one and all, you might get it to fit. So we've got this Countax box. Anyhow, let me get this off the trailer. And then we can have a closer look round it. Mrs. Mancave has just gone up the shop to get refreshments. There. Well, let's see if we can get some of this unloaded. I went on with a forklift, this one. I wonder how easy that'll come on. Well, that's off. Yep, that's off. Ish. Now, how are we going to move this damn thing? This collector is actually... she's going on the rollers, look. There we go. Let's get the tractor off. I did notice we had flat tyre. Which is not going to help with trying to get this thing rolling. Hey-ya! I also noticed the steering is seized up. Very, oh, crikey, out steering a stiff. There. So, there we have it. I couldn't resist it. Ignition key missing, plenty of cobwebs. What delights have we got under here? Cool. Right. We have a 14 horsepower Vanguard twin in there. Oh, I do love a twin cylinder. What have we got? We got an ignition barrel hang, a wire and plug hang. Do the engine turn over? Yeah. And that seems to have good compression. So our engine's turning over. Do you know, will it run? I don't know. I know nothing about it. The guy, I reckon that's been sitting there for years. And you've seen where it come from. He gave me an old solenoid, but it looked like it's had a new one fitted. So that's telling a bit of a story that maybe this thing does run. Now what we have in the van, he gave us a circuit board here, which apparently is, well, that's the dashboard. It displays your warning lights in here. So obviously this thing gotta come in the back there. So them LEDs come through them holes, I think. Them 4 LEDs. If I can find where they are. Oh, there they are. There's the LEDs. And they fit in there, look. Yeah, so that basically go back in there. And they're your warning lights. So this will obviously plug into that. But that's for another day. We've just got the beast of the mower. Seat safety has been disconnected. Just what we like to see. So yeah, there we go. Everything is seized up on the old girl. There we go. Hydrostatic drive, forward and backwards. There we go. We shall see. Well, we'll have to see what happens, won't we? PTO. There. We shall have to see what happens with this. Right, that's a quick video of, well, next thing we're going to do, you've all seen the van and the cars we've got to do. And a couple of you have been saying, we want to see you mess around with old engines and stuff. We have got the lister finished, which will be getting done. But I think we're going to have a little play with this in the next video. Just see if we can get this fired off. You know, do some basic checks, you know, check the oil, squirt some WD down the plug holes, see if it'll turn over on the battery, clean the carb, then we can put some fuel in this thing and see if she barks off. Check the air filter, all them bits and pieces. So yes, but for now, that is it. C400H. Right, I'm a-going, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye for now. Ha-ha! Bit delayed there. Couldn't find the zoom.